Use the clickable sections below to skip through different parts of this tutorial. To set up your device, you'll need a TV with an HDMI port and an internet connection. Inside the box, you'll find your Fire Stick, power adapter, a micro USB cable, 2 AAA batteries, an HDMI extension, and a remote control. First, plug the Fire Stick into an HDMI port in your television. Plug the cable into the Fire Stick. You can connect the cable using a power outlet or a USB port in the television. Turn on your TV and change the input or source mode to the port the Fire Stick is in. Put your AAA batteries into the remote. You can control both your TV and your Amazon Fire TV Stick with your voice control remote. Use the directional trackpad to find your up, down, left and right arrow keys. In the middle of the circle, you'll find the Select button. The Home button will take you to the home page at any time. The 3 lines icon will display a menu of additional settings. Use the back button to go to the previous screen. The media controls allow you to rewind, fast forward, pause and play. Use the volume buttons to increase or lower the volume, and press the mute button to mute or unmute. To turn your TV off and on, use the power button at the top. The voice button can be held down to activate voice control. Press the Home button on your remote, and the startup screen will appear on your TV. Press the Play/Pause button to continue. Use the up and down arrows to find your language, and then press the Select button to confirm. You should see your Wi-Fi appear. Use the Select button to choose it when highlighted. If your Wi-Fi is password protected, a keyboard window will appear. Select Connect to link the device to the internet. To go back to the previous page in the setup at any time, use the back button on your remote. If you already have an Amazon account, select Sign In to log in. Choose Create an account to set up a new one. Select Yes Continue and then Yes to have your Wi-Fi password automatically saved in future. You can also set up parental controls. Add a PIN code to prevent children from making in-app purchases or watching certain videos. Scroll down and select the make of your TV. You'll now need to finish pairing your remote to the TV. Once finished, you'll be able to use your remote to control both the TV and your Amazon Fire TV Stick. This includes turning your TV off and on and controlling your volume. First, make sure your volume is turned up on your TV. Then try using your volume buttons on your Amazon remote. If the volume responds accordingly, click Yes, and then OK. Now you can customize your home screen with your favourite apps and channels. Click Get Started to begin. Select the streaming apps, then press the right arrow on your remote and select the TV channels you want. Select Finish, and then Got It. All the apps you've selected will now download. Tap on your profile and you're ready to start watching.